What is up guys, my name is Talha, you're watching Gadgetsphere. I have been using the Oppo Reno 2Z from quite a time now, and finally I'm gonna show you guys should you buy this smartphone in 2020 or not. First of all, at the back there is Gorilla Glass 5 that gives great radiant design. It looks absolutely stunning. Then we have the cameras. There is a 48 megapixel main camera with a 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel micro camera and a 2 megapixel portrait camera for portrait images. So the cameras are amazing. Then there is a ball which is trying to protect the camera from the scratches and all that stuff. So that looks good. Then I'm gonna show you guys, you can see at the back camera there is something blue inside the lens, so it just gives it a nice more refined feeling. So yeah, the cameras are good. Then the portrait mode camera is in the small circle that is present at the bottom of the camera. Then we have an amazing Oppo branding, and this white color looks absolutely stunning. I'm in love with the white color. It gives great reflections and the glass is very durable. I have dropped this smartphone 2-3 times and still no problem. The glass is not cracked even a single time. At the bottom we have USB Type-C ports and all that stuff, so you can see there is a silver ray going on. And then we have the pop-up selfie camera at the top. The camera is very good, it takes some amazing photos and it gives a type of light. As you guys can see, when the lights come it looks amazing. So yeah, the lighting is amazing in this pop-up selfie camera. The display is also really good. So you can see this video is recorded from the Moto 1 Action, so you can get an idea of the quality of that smartphone even. So yeah, then we have the USB Type-C port at the bottom and the micro and the headphone jack. Then on the left side we have volume rockers, and these are also chrome accents, so they look good. On the right side we have the power button and a SIM card tool. So yeah, the SIM card tool is also amazing. Now let's talk about the display. This phone is rocking a 6.5 inch Super AMOLED display, and this is full HD plus resolution. The display is really good. It can get very bright outdoors, so you won't be having any complaints in the brightness department, and it can go as low as very nice. So I'm just gonna maintain it according to the video, and the speed is amazing. Let me show you guys in the about phone of this smartphone. Let's go in about phone and show you guys. So this is the Oppo Reno 2Z. It is running on Android 9 Pie. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. You won't be disappointed with the storage and the camera. So yeah, the display is amazing. There is just great speed. So opening apps are very quick. ColorOS 6.1 is amazingly smooth. You can open any app. It is very quick and fast. I love this. So yeah, now let's see the other camera features. So I'm gonna show you other selfie camera features. So this is the pop-up selfie camera, and now I'm gonna show you some other features. So there is HDR in the pop-up selfie camera, which can take in some outstanding images. Then we have let's just close it and show you guys the normal camera. So this is the normal camera. I'm gonna bring out one object and I'm gonna show you some features. So yeah, now let's try to zoom. So you can see there's an amazing quality of zoom, and this is 1x. Now let's just do it 2x. So you have to just tap on this button and just see the magic. So if you want to take up shots of a very far object, you can just tap it and it will take 2x zoom, and you can do it to 5 times. So you can see this is 2x, and then just tap one more and this is 5x. So yeah, there's lossless zoom and this looks amazing. The zooming is good. And then we have a lot of camera features, like this ultra wide camera also works nicely. It can take in some great HDR shots. Then you have a lot of features like night sight, panorama, expert mode, solo, slow motion, time lapse and all that. Let me just try a slow motion. So yeah, let's just try a slow motion and show you guys how this works. So just I'm going to drop this, and there you go. This is the slow motion. So it will take some time to open. So yeah, let me just show you the slow motion results. So this is the slow motion video. So yeah, the slow motion looks absolutely stunning. Then there is plenty of RAM to handle all your day-to-day tasks. And now let's open its speakers and test it out. So let's open selfie camera. This is the selfie camera. You guys get very nicely speakers. So these are the stickers that you can stick on your face, and you can also download stickers. So yeah, this is good looking and the stickers look really good. So I like the stickers in this smartphone. Now let's just play a YouTube video and see how the speakers are. So I'm gonna open YouTube. first I think I should connect to the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi and then I'm gonna open YouTube and show you guys the speaker of this smartphone. The ports, so the speakers, USB Type-C on the right side, buttons, left side, micro, left side SIM card, then there is the usual camera bump you guys can see, and now let's come to the display. So as you guys can see, the viewing angles are amazing in this 6.6 inch Super AMOLED display. The viewing angles look amazing. So the verdict is, should you buy this smartphone in 2020 for that smooth experience, great display and amazing cameras? If you are asking me, I will say yes, you should definitely buy this smartphone. It is a great offer from Oppo, and now the Reno 3 Pro is released. You can get this a little cheaper, a 6,000 cheaper than the Reno 3 Pro. If you guys are into that kind of stuff, if you guys love the Reno family where the crazy zoom is offered by Oppo, you should definitely check this smartphone out. And yeah, I love this smartphone. So this is it. Thanks for watching.